how to add Simplii card to Apple Wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can add Simplii card to Apple Wallet. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Apple Wallet on your iPhone and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on this plus sign. Then tap on debit or credit card. Then tap on continue. After that, tap on enter card details manually. At last, just enter your Simplii card credentials and tap on next. And your Simplii card will be added to the Apple Wallet. So that's how you can add Simplii card to Apple Wallet. That's all for this video.